Anyway, guys, I'm going bowling with my friends in a little bit, and my goal for this evening's bowling video is to get a strike on video, if not at least a spare. And I'll probably film one clip bowling and upload that, depending on if I get a strike or a spare. But if not, eventually I'll get a strike in a bowling video in the future.
Go, Andrew. Go, Andrew. Woo! Oh, so close, Andrew. So close. One more. One more. One more. One more. Yeah.
Oh, hey, that's good.
Oh, sorry.
Well, there you go, Andrew.
Yes! Woo!
Anyway, guys, I got back from bowling a couple hours ago. I almost forgot to make this outro. And I was about to start uploading my bowling video. Got one bowling clip in. Had a fun time bowling this evening with my friends. And I got 9 pins down on the clip at first. And then after that, I got the last one down to get the spare. So I got a spare on camera for you guys. One day I know eventually I'll get a strike for you guys on camera, but that will have to wait a little while because that was the last bowling trip of the semester, which I enjoyed all of them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.